Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers. I hope everybody would be fine by the grace of the Almighty. So here I am once again with another refreshing recipe to make mango smoothie. So जल्दी से mangoes को use कीजिए. Use them before the season ends. Absolutely. This time I have made this mango smoothie using the frozen mangoes and without any sweet or sugar or honey. So do try it. Those who really don't want to put on weight, वो लोग जो चाहते हैं कि वो sugarless items use करें, so do try it because this mango smoothie doesn't contain any sugar. All the sugar that is in the smoothie is the natural sugar that is in the mangoes or the yogurt and the milk. So let's see that recipe. Really yummy and refreshing, believe you me. Yes. So I've taken half cup milk for it, about 3 cups of frozen mangoes and half cup of yogurt, and so quickly you can blend all of these 3 ingredients in your blender and just you can get that refreshing, yummy, delicious smoothie within hardly I think 2 minutes. For that obviously you have to just make sure that the mangoes are frozen. So you have to just freeze the mangoes about 1 or 2 days earlier if you want to get that texture of smoothie. In this recipe I haven't used any ice as I've used in the earlier recipe. If you don't have the frozen mangoes, no problem, you can see that recipe. I've given the link for that above as well as in the description box. So do try it and do let me know about your comments and feedback in the comment section. And please like the video and also share it with your friends, with your relatives. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to just click the bell icon because only then you would be notified about my latest recipes if you click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Stay blessed everyone. Take care.